I decided to take our homegrown cayenne peppers and turn them into a powder. And the very first thing I did was put on gloves because I do not want any of that cayenne pepper juice on my hands and my eyes, anywhere else. Then I sliced open the peppers and removed the seeds, the stems, everything that I could. It was a tedious process, but well worth it. However, I did notice that I missed some seeds in the end. You'll see that and you'll see what happens as a result. Just stay tuned. Once they were all cut up, I arranged them with lots of space in my dehydrator, and then I set my dehydrator on the lowest temperature for 8 hours. How you set it will vary on how dry you want them and what kind of dehydrator you're using. Once they were dry, I put them in the food processor and ground them up till they were nice and fine. Remember that if you're using a food processor, to let the dust settle before you open it up, you could burn your sinuses. I'm just speaking from experience. And now you'll see what I did miss with some seeds. They didn't grind down the way I had hoped, that leaving a few seeds in would, but I'm not overly concerned about it. Yet I will be more careful next time. I only started with a small amount this time because it was our first time doing it and I just wanted to try it out. But with the rest of the cayenne peppers that we harvest coming up here soon, I will make those into a powder as well and just add it to this existing jar. I'd love to hear your experience with making cayenne powder. Was there anything I could have done better? And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining us.